Simplify. 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 7a divided by 5 minus 4a divided by 5. Solution. Solution. Now looking at this problem, we have 7a divided by 5 minus 4a divided by 5. The first algebraic fraction is 7a over 5 and the denominator is 5. The second algebraic fraction is 4a over 5 and the denominator is also 5. So since they have the same denominator, then the LCM is also 5. So it means that we can just write 5 as the LCM. So the LCM of denominator is 5. LCM of denominators is also 5. Equals to 5. So since the LCM of denominator is the same as their denominators, then we can just write the first one. What do we have as the first numerator here? We have 7a. Then the second numerator minus 4a. So what do we have? 7a minus 4a will give us what? 3a divided by 5. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.